Is the world on the brink of chaos? With global uncertainty on the rise, one question remains: can businesses thrive in the midst of turmoil? In this video, we'll explore the potential for 2025's global chaos to become a business boom. From economic shifts to technological advancements, we'll dive into the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply curious about the future of business, this video is for you. So, buckle up and let's dive into the possibilities of turning chaos into opportunity. The chaos of 2025 could indeed be a business boom for those who adapt swiftly. Uncertainty often reshapes markets, creating opportunities in essential industries like technology, logistics, AI, and sustainable products. Businesses focusing on innovation, problem-solving, and digital transformation can thrive. Crises often accelerate shifts in consumer behavior, opening doors for entrepreneurs who can meet emerging demands. In 2025, global e-commerce sales are projected to surpass $7.5 trillion, even as geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions challenge traditional markets. This astounding growth highlights how chaos often accelerates digital adoption, reshaping consumer behavior and opening doors for entrepreneurs to tap into emerging opportunities. Businesses transitioning online are creating massive demand for digital transformation services. By offering tools to streamline e-commerce operations, remote collaboration, or targeted digital marketing, entrepreneurs can help companies not only survive but thrive in uncertain times. The rise of AI and automation is revolutionizing industries, with 85% of companies expected to adopt AI-driven tools for efficiency. This shift presents opportunities to develop solutions in areas like data analytics, customer service automation, and personalized experiences, meeting the demand for smarter, leaner operations. Businesses face significant challenges during periods of global instability, such as supply chain disruptions and economic downturns. Supply chain disruptions create logistical delays, with shipments taking longer and transportation costs rising. Limited access to raw materials impacts production schedules, leading to product shortages that can affect entire industries. Businesses heavily reliant on specific regions for suppliers are especially vulnerable to geopolitical tensions or regional instability, exacerbating these issues. Economic downturns often result in reduced consumer spending, as people prioritize necessities over discretionary purchases. This decline in revenue, combined with rising operational expenses, leads to cash flow problems that hinder a business's ability to sustain daily operations. Tighter lending conditions during economic uncertainty make securing loans or investments difficult, stalling growth. Workforce challenges also arise as businesses resort to layoffs, hiring freezes, or struggle to retain skilled employees, all of which negatively affect productivity and morale. Market uncertainty adds another layer of complexity. Consumer behavior can shift rapidly, making it difficult for businesses to predict demand and allocate resources effectively. Volatile markets, influenced by exchange rate fluctuations, inflation, and changing interest rates, create further challenges in pricing and cost management. Operational and strategic risks become more prominent in such times. Increased reliance on digital systems heightens cybersecurity risks, leaving businesses vulnerable to attacks that can disrupt operations. Poor communication or missteps, such as sudden price increases, can damage brand reputation and erode customer trust. Businesses that are slow to adapt or lack flexible strategies often lose their competitive edge to more agile competitors, making it harder to survive or thrive in challenging environments. Some businesses thrive in chaotic environments by leveraging challenges as opportunities for growth through rapid adaptation, innovation, and exploration of new markets. Quick adaptation allows businesses to remain flexible and responsive to changing conditions. Companies that quickly pivot their operations to address new consumer demands often outperform competitors. For example, during supply chain disruptions, some businesses have localized their sourcing, reducing dependency on international suppliers. Others have embraced digital solutions, such as e-commerce platforms or automation, to streamline operations and meet customer expectations despite external challenges. Innovation is a critical driver of success in unstable environments. Businesses that embrace new technologies or develop creative solutions to pressing problems can gain a competitive edge. For instance, companies that implemented AI tools for inventory management or predictive analytics have minimized disruptions and optimized resources. Brands introducing sustainable products, such as biodegradable packaging or energy-efficient appliances, have captured growing consumer interest in environmentally friendly solutions. Discovering new markets is another way businesses can thrive. By identifying underserved demographics or expanding into emerging markets, companies can diversify their revenue streams and reduce risk. For instance, businesses that shifted focus to digital products, such as online education or virtual event platforms, found success as consumer behavior moved toward remote solutions. Likewise, tapping into markets with high demand for essential goods or services, like healthcare or logistics, can ensure consistent revenue even during economic downturns. Businesses that foster resilience also tend to succeed in chaotic times. By building strong relationships with suppliers, customers, and employees, companies can create a foundation of trust and loyalty that helps them weather uncertainty. Transparent communication, ethical practices, and a commitment to customer satisfaction can solidify a brand's reputation and encourage repeat business. Thriving in chaos requires a proactive mindset, the ability to anticipate trends, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Digital transformation is a key opportunity as businesses move online to adapt to disruptions. Offering consulting services or tools that facilitate e-commerce, remote work, or digital marketing can help companies transition smoothly. For instance, developing SaaS platforms that simplify online operations or manage workflows can meet growing demand in this space. AI and automation are becoming essential as organizations seek to streamline operations and reduce dependency on manual labor. Entrepreneurs can create AI-driven tools that assist with data analytics, customer support, or task automation. Niche applications like AI-based tutoring apps or personalized financial planning platforms are also gaining traction. Essential goods and logistics remain high-priority sectors during uncertainty. There is consistent demand for necessities such as groceries, healthcare items, and household products. Establishing an e-commerce business that focuses on these items, paired with efficient delivery networks, can secure steady revenue. Sustainable and eco-friendly products are experiencing a surge in demand as climate awareness grows. Selling items like biodegradable packaging, sustainable clothing, or energy-efficient devices aligns with consumer values and offers significant potential for growth. Highlighting environmental responsibility in marketing strategies enhances appeal. Education and upskilling are critical as people seek to future-proof their careers. Creating online courses or coaching services that focus on high-demand areas such as coding, affiliate marketing, or digital content creation. Platforms offering certification or mentorship programs often attract a dedicated audience. Entertainment and mental wellness solutions provide relief in stressful times. Developing services that promote mindfulness, relaxation, or casual entertainment, like mobile gaming apps or guided meditation platforms, can cater to this growing market. Crisis management solutions are increasingly important for businesses navigating uncertainties. Tools and services that enhance cybersecurity, manage risks, or strengthen supply chains are in high demand. Entrepreneurs who design platforms offering these solutions can secure long-term partnerships with organizations. Flexible financing and investment opportunities attract attention during economic instability. Platforms for fractional ownership in real estate, art, or other assets can appeal to individuals seeking alternative investment methods. Additionally, promoting financial literacy and offering workshops on smart investing can help build trust and engagement with clients. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit in 2020, the travel and hospitality industry faced unprecedented challenges. Airbnb, whose core business relied on global travel, saw its bookings plummet by nearly 80% in the early months. Despite this, the company adapted swiftly, innovated its offerings, and emerged as a stronger player in the industry. With international travel restrictions in place, Airbnb shifted its focus to local and domestic travel. The company promoted staycations and nearby getaways, targeting customers looking for safe, isolated accommodations within driving distance of their homes. This pivot tapped into a growing trend as people sought alternatives to traditional travel. Airbnb introduced online experiences, allowing hosts to offer virtual activities such as cooking classes, guided meditations, and cultural tours. This innovative move enabled the company to create a new revenue stream while supporting its host community. It also positioned Airbnb as more than just a booking platform, expanding its brand into experiential services. Airbnb prioritized transparency and trust by providing support to both hosts and guests during the crisis. It offered flexible cancellation policies, financial relief for hosts, and resources to help them navigate the downturn. These actions strengthened loyalty among their user base and positioned the company as a reliable partner during tough times. To address health concerns, Airbnb launched the Enhanced Cleaning Initiative, providing hosts with guidelines to meet elevated hygiene standards. This initiative reassured guests and encouraged them to resume bookings, making Airbnb a safer choice compared to traditional hotels. Airbnb utilized digital marketing campaigns to connect emotionally with its audience. Through storytelling, the company emphasized the human side of travel, family reunions, local adventures, and cultural exchanges, resonating with customers during a time when these experiences were limited. By the end of 2020, Airbnb successfully adapted to the new normal, regaining momentum in bookings and achieving a successful IPO in December 2020. The company's ability to pivot quickly, innovate, and maintain trust not only mitigated the impact of the crisis but also solidified its position as a leader in the hospitality industry. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how businesses can adapt to challenges during uncertain times. Share your ideas or experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others in this community.